Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, July 16, 2021 on our channel. Frascold upgrades its test laboratory for R290 and CO2 compressors. Arneg Middle East supplying refrigerated furniture for biggest hypermarket in Dubai. Supervisory board appoints Christian Wehrle as Chief Executive Officer of BITZER. J and E Hall Cellar Plus units installed at the Wantsum Brewery. Carrier Global Corporation announces Timothy N. White as President, Refrigeration. Pelican BioThermal rebrands to Peli BioThermal. Understanding Refrigerant Leak Patterns webinar. Nidec Global Appliance responds to new energy labels with smarter compressors. So, first news today. Frascold upgrades its test laboratory for R290 and CO2 compressors. Frascold's strategic investment plan includes new testing benches in the cutting-edge laboratory, situated on the production site in the province of Milan. More specifically, a test bench for propane has been installed with an upgraded calorimeter and CO2 endurance system. Systems which are added to the numerous existing test benches and which together make the testing room an authentic center of excellence. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Arneg Middle East supplying refrigerated furniture for biggest hypermarket in Dubai. The Silicon Central Mall store perfectly embodies the spirit of the brand with a 184,000 square feet surface, on 2 levels, which houses a supermarket and a department store providing grocery, fashion and lifestyle products all in one shop. Arneg Middle East contributed to the project by supplying refrigerated furniture for various food categories. Lisbona 2. Vertical multi-deck and semi-vertical solutions with maximum load capacity, used here for pre-packed specialties and bakery products, but also for fruit and vegetables, pre-packed meat and dairy products. London 3, serve over counter for butchery, fishmonger, delicatessen and, in both display case and self-service semi-vertical versions, for showcasing fresh and pre-packed cheeses, and finally self-service counters for sushi. Malmo 4P Island solution for the sale of low-temperature refrigerated products, with promotional headcase. Astana, the spacious line of vertical cabinets with glass doors for frozen food illuminated with LED lights specially designed to give products maximum visibility. Roubaix, the plug-in promotional island for fresh pre-packed products always at your fingertips. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Supervisory Board appoints Christian Wehrle as Chief Executive Officer of BITZER. The Supervisory Board of BITZER SE has appointed Christian Wehrle, long-standing member of the Executive Board and Chief Operations Officer, as Chairman of the Executive Board with immediate effect. At the same time, Rainer Grosse-Kracht, member of the Executive Board and Chief Technology Officer, was appointed Vice Chairman of the Executive Board. The responsibilities of the company's executive board are still assigned as follows. Christian Wehrle will remain in charge of operations as Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Rainer Grosse-Kracht will continue to act as Chief Technology Officer, CTO. Martin Buchsel as Chief Sales and Marketing Officer, CSMO, and Frank Hartmann as Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. J&amp. E Hall Cellar Plus units installed at the Wantsum Brewery. J&amp, E Hall's new Cellar Plus units are the toast of a rural Kent brewery after providing the ideal solution to a cooling problem. 2 J&amp, E Hall Cellar Plus units, running on R448A have been installed at the Wantsum Brewery near Margate, helping to keep its award-winning range of traditional ales and craft beers in the best possible condition all year round. The brewery, on an old farm at St. Nicholas at Wade, produces 10 core beers, including Black Prince, Fortitude and Dynamo, as well as some seasonal specials. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Carrier Global Corporation announces Timothy N. White as President, Refrigeration. Carrier Global Corporation announced that Timothy N. White, 48, has been named President of its refrigeration segment, effective August 16, 2021. White will succeed David Oppel, 65, who will remain with the company and take on a key leadership role within the refrigeration segment, leading the commercial refrigeration business. And Quat, Carrier's long-term strategy for the refrigeration business segment is to continue to lead the industry in terms of providing healthy, safe, sustainable and intelligent cold chain solutions to our customers, and Quat, said Dave Gitlin, Chairman and AMP, CEO. Read more the news on our website today. 6th News Today. Pelican BioThermal rebrands to Peli BioThermal. Pelican BioThermal is unifying its brand across the globe. The company will now be known worldwide as Peli BioThermal. After growing its biopharma division through acquisitions from 2012 to 2014, Pelican Products Incorporated of Torrance, California rebranded the division Pelican BioThermal in the Americas and Peli BioThermal in Europe. The names aligned with Pelican's existing brands and created a consistent market-specific presence for Pelican. Read more the news on our website today. 7th News Today. Understanding Refrigerant Leak Patterns webinar. Reducing refrigerant emissions will reduce your costs and improve your bottom line. Learn from the gas leak experts at Bacharach on Wednesday, July 28, and enhance your understanding of refrigerant leaks and how to identify patterns. Bacharach's webinar will explore how data analysis of over 2.8 billion samples from Bacharach's connected solutions will provide a greater understanding of refrigerant leak patterns, and how you too can detect refrigerant leaks as early as possible. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Nidec Global Appliance responds to new energy labels with smarter compressors. New energy labels in the European Union raise the issue that more energy efficiency comes from more technology. Nidec Global Appliance recently started the production of Embraco FMX compressors in its unit in Austria, and soon the same unit will start producing Embraco Vase compressors as well. There is no coincidence in the fact that these are the two variable speed compressors in the portfolio of Nidec Global Appliance, holder of the Embraco brand of refrigeration solutions, that respond to the challenging new energy labels for refrigerators in Europe. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.